Hi my pretties. We are here at Radisson for a lovely brunch. It's the birthday treat of Sanjeev. So we are at Radisson for buffet. And Kavya is with me today. Kavya has come. That's Daddy Sanjeev. And there is a lovely, display of. This is the famous thela of Golgappas. They are having Golgappa thela, and this is the section which has dim sums, sushis, and I'll show you what all sushis he has. See this. These are fruit sushis, cream cheese, avocado dim sum, spicy broccoli crystal. So you see this, and this side they have this. What do you have this, chef? What side? What do you have this side? This is only for display. Okay. Dim sums. Okay. And what kind of dim sums you have? Two chicken and two veg. Okay. There are two types of dim sums. Two chicken types and two types of veg. So that's it. And these are the. This side is what? The Mexican. Okay. This side is the Mexican, and they have. I think you have those tacos. Yeah, they have tacos. And they have salsas. You see beautiful display of Mexican food. So tacos is nice, and we have a live singing going on, and the weather is really nice. It's not too hot, it's not raining, and this is live singing going on. She's singing so beautifully. So you see, I'll take you around, and this is Kavya enjoying her Golgappas as usual. I love Golgappas too. But today I'm going to try out all sushis and all dim sums. So today is the day for the buffet at Radisson S18. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hi my pretties, I'll take you around. Now I have chef with me who has actually done the needful here at the buffet. He's cutting a sourdough bread. You see there are the breads here. And this is the plain sourdough, am I right? Yes, plain sourdough. Okay, they are all different focaccias and everything.
Focaccia, we have multigrain, we have oats one, we have
Okay.
healthy bread as well options.
Okay, that's nice, that's nice. So you see they are all the different types of breads here for the buffet. So you can see at the backdrop, chef is cutting the sourdough. Let's go ahead and I'll take you around. This is healthy barley salad. You see the different types of salads, roasted eggplant. So they're all different sizes. We have in small bowls here. Very cute. So you can actually pick up the bowl you like. This is something which I really like. Then you have the fruit section. These are all the fruits here. Different types of fruits you like. And then you come to the deviled eggs. Deviled eggs. Oh, I like the deviled eggs. I like the captions. Cured tuna with pineapple. Then they have potato with bacon salad. This is interesting. This is the potato with bacon salad. They have pork in it. So then this is, I really like the caption of deviled egg. This is interesting. This is the deviled egg. So let's go ahead. And the next is kids counter. So we have the kids counter here. So this is the kids counter. They have the shepherd pie. This is the shepherd pie. They have fried fish. I'll open it and show it to you. Let's go over it. This is the shepherd pie. This is the fried fish. Oh, this is awesome. Then they have crispy onion rings. This is the crispy onion rings. This is the honey chili potato. The children love it. It's a very good snack. And let's go ahead. This is the Hunan style 2-pepper chicken. Let's check it out. This looks really nice. Hunan style pepper chicken. Then they have sanding prawn. This is sandong prawns. These are the sandong prawns. Nice. This looks really nice. Assorted Luhan vegetables. This is again vegetables. Luhan vegetables. This is the rare Chinese chili noodles. This is really nice. So we go bamboo shoots, lotus rice wraps. This is nice. This is very interesting. This is a bamboo shoot lotus rice wraps. Then we have, let's go ahead. This is the section which is now breaking in for something different. So they have fish here with potatoes, mashed potatoes and the regular potatoes and some sauteed vegetables with some nice sauces here. This is Tom Kha Ghai. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is Tom Kha Ghai. I don't know really what it is. So, ये I don't know, ये पता नहीं क्या है, but this is something Chinese or Japanese. And ये है pepper rasam. This is the South Indian pepper rasam. ये तो हमारा I know, so I didn't know that. This is pan-seared fish steak with coconut mango. Wow, that looks really interesting. With beans, sauteed green beans. Then they have slow roasted lamb steak with smoked paprika honey with some sauteed carrots and some spinach. This is really nice and new. They have variety of things. Actually, you get to see, if you eat a buffet, you get to see a lot of different cuisines and lot of different types of starters, your dishes, main courses. So this is the continental section. Now we are going to the roasted chicken breast with broccoli corn. See this? These are the corns on the side. This is with cranberry velouté. This is interesting. They have wild mushroom risotto with parmesan shapes. Oh, this is interesting. Very. See, these are all dishes which you can try a little because they are a little heavier. With white sauce, it tends to get a little heavy. We have crushed onion potato with chives and chili flakes. This is nice. This is nice. So then they have the live section. They have the fish fillets with sauteed vegetables. My all-time favorite. This is my all-time favorite. This is the live counter and this I'm going to surely try. This is nice. Then they have mutton chuka fry. This is mutton fry. You see this? This is mutton fry. Fish curry. Oh, this is nice. I went to Goa. I enjoyed. I'm sure you guys have seen my vlog of Goa. So you can check out the vlogs and I've shown what I had in the Goan thali. This is Vanaita curry, South Indian style eggplant. South Indian style eggplant. Banana curry. This is banana curry. This is banana curry. So you see this? This is Maharashtrian dal. This is the Maharashtrian dal. See this? This is nice. This is steamed rice. Then they have salads and this is the dahi bhalle. We're going to try the dahi bhallas also. Nice. And this is burani raita. This is the burani raita. Nice. Then they have pickles this side, different types of pickles. Chutneys and pickles. Chutneys actually. This is some onion rings with green chilies. Then they have peri peri paneer tikka tarts. Oh, these are very cute. These are those tarts. These are paneer tarts. This is vegetable avocado mousse tart. This is really nice. These are very nice. This is shredded chicken with pineapple tarts. These are new and they are really nice. This is really nice. And this is salmon with wasabi. This is really good. Then they have dal bukhara. This is dal bukhara. This is paneer kurchan, nice. For the Indian vegetable lovers, they have good main course. Aloo katiala, nice. This is really nice. Hello. Yeah, I'll just come join you guys. And this is gobi gulnar. This is so nice. Nimbu choza. This is nimbu choza. This is something different. This is nice. Murg dum biryani. This is good biryani with some papads, different types, fried and roasted. So this is their drink section. So I've taken you around for the complete buffet at Radisson. This is the brunch. on Sundays, which they have on Sundays, the brunch at Radisson S18. So I hope you liked it, and if you've liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Trying out the sushis. These are different types of sushis. I really don't know the name, but they're really nice. I just ate one of them. That was the salmon one with wasabi here, soya sauce and some sliced garlic and ginger. And this is also avocado. These are nice. Kabe is also having the same, and she's enjoying her. These are those sushis which she's enjoying. So this is the mini dosas or uttapam. This is chicken one. This is chicken, and this is the mutton stew. This is the mutton stew. There is no sambar. This is the chicken dosa with mutton stew. The dim sums, the non-veg dim sums with this is the sauces of dim sums. This is that sauce, chili sauce, and this is another sauce. These are some nice dim sums, so I'm going to try out my Mexican tacos. See, have a look. Some yummy tacos. These are some non-veg tacos.
ये ब्रेड से खाना
Sour cream and the guacamole on top. So I'm going to be trying it out. This is my plate for the buffet at S18, the brunch. So these are the tarts. This is the bamboo shoot covered rice, onion rings, chili noodles. This is prawns. This is chicken Hunan style. This is the bacon salad. And this is fried fish with potatoes and lime on the side, and some nice onion rings and some green chili and lime. So that's my lunch, that's my brunch.